Now I will talk about how I will run the internal assessment in my workshop to a group of experienced teachers. Since the target audience are a group of experienced teachers, I suppose they know something about the old guide. So I will start with the difference between old and new, and the second part is assessment procedure. The third part is assessment criteria, and the fourth part is about teachers' role. So when we talk about the difference between the new and the old, and I would like to give the teacher a lot of assignments or some minutes to do some comparison between the old guide and new guide, and to see what's the change when the new guide comes out and what they should pay attention to. So apparently we have in the new guide we have individual oral, which takes about 30%, and the interactive oral in the guide, it suggests it still exist, but it will exist as a formative assessment part. And when we're talking about individual oral, some change between the standard level and high level minutes is for high level students they have 20 minutes preparation, and also the material needed in the previous exam preparation for the language big part, teachers are only allowed to give students photos, but in this new guide, the visual stimuli is also allowed. And the biggest change is in high-level students. They will use the literacy extract instead of the photos. So this part is very important. And I think I think a lot of experienced teachers are also very interested in how will be this part take. Then we go to the assessment procedure. It's with the angle and the step 1, 2, 3, 4. It is very clear to demonstrate how the assessment will take place. So the first statement is supervised preparation time, and then comes to the presentation, follow-up discussion, and part 3 is general discussion. And for the high level, they have 20 minutes supervised preparation time. And in this part, students are only allowed to get a piece of paper so that they can take notes, and also a pen. They were not allowed to take any books or materials or IT facilities they can search or get information. So in the 300 words extract of literacy, this is very interesting part, because in this part is which the teachers can prepare and make students really get involved in when they get prepared in the preparation time. And part 1 is also presentation, but it's depending on the presentation. It depends on the literacy extract. And part 2, follow-up discussion, also will the discussion will also related with the presentation. And part 3 is general discussion. It is about the theme. So when participants get to know what's going on and what it looks like, so we will go to the assessment criteria. The assessment criteria compared with the previous one is very different, because we have B1 and B2. And also B1, because of different levels, they also have different focus about the B1, what is message about. So in order to make the participants or the teachers know better about what will it take, definitely I will use the material and put it in the workshop so that everybody can listen and try to mark and also discuss a longer discussion so that they can figure out how the standard level and high level oral will take out during the in the new guide and how they could prepare. So when we talk about how we could prepare about the internal assessment, so teacher's role is very important. When I'm talking about I just mentioned the 300 words extract of the literacy, and also the visual stimulus the teacher will find. All these things are very important. But this is about before the internal assessment. So what will teacher do during the internal assessment and after internal assessment is also very important. In the new guide, there are about 2 pages to talk about the teacher's role and how to administrate. I will ask the teacher to read it before, and then we'll discuss it in the workshop and to try to figure out how we can do to best benefit our students. So that's all about my opinion, and thank you so much.